my love friends. I'm coming to you today with an unboxing. This unboxing is a birthday gift that I got for myself from Lug, and let's see what I got for my birthday. Alright, I can't wait. I've been wanting this bag and I been eyeing it, so I said I'm gonna gift myself, and for my birthday I got this bag. So as you guys can see, oh, my box ripped a little bit from shipping, but it's okay. So we have Amy and the family, cards. Oh, okay. Some more stuff in here, and some other things, shipping information and everything like that. Then this is what you guys have been waiting on, and me too. Yes, I got the camper. Let's take a closer look at this bag. It's a nice size bag. I wanted to get this bag so I can fit a lot of things in this bag. And I really like that the strap doesn't come off and it's very thick. I really like that about this bag. And let's see, let's start in the inside. Okay, so the inside of the bag, I hope you guys can see it. In the inside of the bag, let me take this paper out. You have a clear view zip pocket, and it's a nice size pocket. Like, I can fit my whole hand in that clear view zip part. And oh, you have two. You have another clear view pocket, and it's smaller than the one on this side, but this is a good size as well. Then you have two pockets over here, and one is just like a smaller pocket, and you have two pin slots in that pocket. And then you have a pocket on top of that, and that one is soft line in there. So you can put your glasses, or if you want to put your phone in here as well and not on the outside, you can definitely do that with the soft line pocket. And then the inside itself has a lot of room, so I want to make sure I can let you guys see that. It has a lot of room, so that's good, because I'm probably going to be carrying my tablet and other things like that in here, so that's why I really wanted to get this bag. Okay, so guys, let's go to the back of the bag, and you have your zip part right here. And again, this is a large pocket. I can fit my whole hand in this as well, so that's good. Water bottle pockets on the sides right here, so that's good. And they don't have any magnet to keep it closed, but it doesn't seem that it's going to be sticking out or anything like that, so I think that's okay that it doesn't have a magnet. And then let's get to the front. So you have your cell phone pocket right here, soft line, or again, you can put your glasses or anything that you want to protect in this part. You have a zipper part right here, and that's a good size as well. And again, I can fit my hand in this part as well. And then you have another zip. Oh, and this zip is soft line, so that's good as well, to put some things in there so they won't get scratched. Yeah, so this bag is a good size bag. I'm really happy I got this bag. This bag is large. I didn't know it was this big, but I'm happy about that because I can definitely fit tablets and books and other things like that that I want to fit in this bag. Again, guys, this is the Camper in Midnight Camo. And yes, I really like this bag, and I can't wait to wear it. And I will do an updated video of what I put into this bag, so be looking out for that, so I can show you everything that I pack in this bag, just to let you know what all it exactly holds. So if you hear my daughter in the background, that's just her. She's eating something. But yes, guys, please subscribe, like, and also follow me on Luggin with Ash on Instagram for beautiful shots of this bag. And again, guys, love, live, and laugh out loud. And I'll see you next time. Bye.